Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel. So we've been having a ton of rain up here in Northern Virginia, and we've got a long gravel driveway, and most of the road that we actually live off is all gravel as well. And over time, you get a lot of potholes. You got a lot of, during heavy thunderstorms, you get a lot of heavy rain runoff and things like that. Hang on a second. Just had to grab this guy from escaping. So in today's video, we're going to be talking with Bryce over at J&K, and their contact information is below if you live locally. But there's three real important steps when you're going to be having a driveway, a gravel driveway, reconditioned, so to speak.
Hi, I'm Bryce with J&K Grounds Maintenance LLC.
That's awesome. Hey, so Bryce, tell me, we take a look at all of the gravel driveways here, particularly in this neighborhood. If people are thinking about moving out to the country and they don't have a paved driveway, how important is it to have your driveway, what would be the right word for it? Reconditioned?
Yeah, so annual maintenance is extremely important in any country living situation where you don't have a paved driveway. You have rain, you have snow, freezing conditions, anything like that is gonna cause additional wear and tear to your gravel driveways. And annual maintenance packages, which we offer, we come in, we refresh the driveway and make it like new, maybe add a little bit of gravel, maybe just a little bit of touch up depending on exactly what you need. But that's gonna keep your driveway in perfect condition every year so that you can get in and out of your home safely.
Awesome. All right, man, I appreciate you joining us today, Bryce. Thanks again.
Thank you.
So as you can see, there's 4 steps to what J&K did to the driveway, which just definitely needed it. Number 1, they brought in the grinder to get all the compacted gravel lifted up out of the driveway. And number 2, they brought in fresh new stone, and it was mixed with a kind of like a blue stone, which really made a huge difference as opposed to just dropping rock on it. And then number 3, they brought the grinder back in and then reconditioned the new mix with the old mix, which I thought was pretty smart. And obviously they do too. And then number 4, they brought in a heavy roller, and that heavy roller just goes in and just compacts down everything that they just did, and they were done. So if you're thinking about doing it yourself, you definitely can. I had a box blade on my Kubota tractor, and I did the box blade for about 3 or 4 years, but at the end of the day, I think I was probably creating more problems with the box blade, and these guys did a fantastic job, so highly recommend them. Guys, feel free to subscribe to our channel, and we'll talk to you soon. Thanks.